Hello there. Here's a question I had on Discord about having a hotel that would give you a key, and then you could lock or unlock your room however you wanted to, and the key would have a limited life. And what I took that limited life to mean was that it could only be used so many times, like a tool. You could also have the key expire after so much time, after a day or 5 days or something like that. So I'll show you how to do that later, but right now I'll just go up here and go up to him, and you can buy the 3 different keys for the 3 different rooms, and each costs different amount of gold, and I don't have any gold, so let's get some gold and buy a key. So we'll buy one for the green room, and right now the doors are unlocked, so if I click on it, it says the door is locked. So I can unlock it, and then I can go in and close it, and then lock it from the inside there. So now it's locked. Let me just slip out here. So that's how that works. And as you can see, I've got a number here in the dialog, and that I can take that out, but that just shows it can only be used 10 times. So there it's dropping, and when I reach 0, what it does, it gives me this broken key, and I thought you could either take that back and get some sort of refund or something like that. I could have another dialogue here or something like that. The one thing that I need to show you here is that there's these little guys right above the room here, little dummy guys, and what those guys do is they run the command that takes the key once it's worn out. So once the key is worn out, those guys will take the key for the room name, key name, and then they will give you the broken key. So that's done by this function that is a custom function, and it passes this is the name of the NCP up there. That dummy guy is first got, and when the door is initialized here in its initialization function, it just finds the closest entity, and then it basically uses that entity to run a command. And that, I thought that was, well, actually I got some help from that particular part from this guy here on Discord. He's one of the best programmers there is. And oh yeah, I also have this guy here is the guy that asked the question. But so this part of it, yeah, was probably the easiest way of running that command. You might be able to do it with the NBT functions, but this is definitely going to pick that key out of there and replace it with the broken one. It could also use this function to test the time, and what you would do, instead of subtracting 1 from the key life, you would just you would also only have to store when you bought the key, and then each time you use it, you would compare it against the total time. So that's how that works. Yeah, that's pretty straightforward, but yeah, I think that covers just about everything. So if you have any questions about this anymore, I'll try and help, but that gives you a pretty good option for locking doors and maintaining access to a hotel or other areas of a Minecraft map. So thanks for watching.